How can 10 days of doing this type of meditation give you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of days of benefits from semen retention magically, freaking magically? I use that word very sparingly, but it truly is magic. When you tap in to the metaphysical, it will change your life. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video today, my friend, just like yesterday, I hope you watched that video. It was a little bit of a kind of a fine-tuning method to get you on this video. This video, super short and sweet, man. I could probably tell you this in 2 minutes. I'm gonna take my time so that you can actually let it sink in. Check it out, man. Before we begin, learn to meditate. Links in the description. Super, super important, or this is just obsolete. You'll just fail retention all the time. So how do I do this? How do I still maintain the benefits of hundreds of days of retention while still being with my girls, man? Still seeing them once, twice, sometimes 3 times a week. I'm not retaining. No. Dre, how can you talk about semen retention? You don't even retain. In the past, when I was reprogramming my mind from NoFap, that's the time when you should truly just don't ejaculate. 2 months, 3 months, fucking do it, man. Whatever can help you get away from porn, just get away from it, get it out of your life. Do that. And anything you do in the physical world is gonna help you transmute that built up energy. Once you get past all that, then it's a different story. Then you have a lot of leeway. It's kind of like when you get healthy. People that are unhealthy don't understand that when you get healthy, you have so much leeway. I've had my friends be like, dude, are you really gonna eat that whole cake? Hell yeah, I'm gonna eat this whole cake. Because I can, because it's not gonna do anything. Somebody who is extremely overweight, super unhealthy, should not eat that cake. It's gonna take them down. Same thing with retention, man. When you get up there, it's gold. You can do all kinds of cool shit and still maintain the benefits, the attraction, okay? That high vibe, that pull, that magnetism that we all want, okay? But on top of that, you can get shit done. So badass. This is why. These are your chakras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're all different colors, but for the sake of the video, 7 chakras in your body. Okay? Root, sacral. This is the one. This is the one that we're focusing on because we're talking retention. When you get good at this, it also gives you access to the other ones, and you can do the same thing I'm talking about. The same thing I preach about with sacral chakra meditation. You can do it with heart chakra meditation, excuse me, throat chakra, third eye, crown. Sky's the limit, man. But check it out. This blew me away. All you have to do is sit with yourself and meditate. Those urges, those feelings come from right here. Okay? Sit with it. Become aware of it. Separate yourself from that urge. Don't connect with it and become it and let it rule you. Integrate it into your being, your metaphysical. That is the true trick. It is freaking magic. It is absolute magic. How does this happen? Well, you retain. Then through meditation, the ever flow, it goes all the way off the board over here. This is the flow of energy through your body. That's how it goes, okay? It actually goes like this. That is the flow, that is the vibe that we want to get on. So if you're not on that vibration, here's what you do. This is you. You're just solely focused on the metaphysical. That's it. Excuse me, the physical. This is the physical realm, the you, the physical you, the human you. If you're solely focused on that and then you retain and retain, you retain. Say that 25 fucking thousand times fast. What happens? What happens? Stagnation. Bad things can happen in your body, man. Prostate cancer, testicular cancer. You can have kidney problems. All kinds of shit can happen to your body because you're not moving the energy in a proper way through meditation. So every morning I meditate. And when I meditate, I do this. I sit, I calm myself. After about 5 or 10 minutes, I'm really in that zone. I take deep breaths into my diaphragm, not my chest. My diaphragm, I let my belly expand. Then I squeeze my ass. No joke. And what you're doing is you're squeezing prana. Look that up, prana. Look it up, man. You're squeezing the prana up your spinal cord through all of these realms of the metaphysical into your brain. It is literally opening up pathways. It is securing and opening neurological pathways. Okay, this is so key. I do that 10 times and I hold it. Deep breath, and I hold my breath and I squeeze my ass. Okay, and it'll actually feel orgasmic. You have that feeling. Sometimes it's almost, I can't even hold it for 10 seconds. It's intense. And what you're doing is you're releasing the sacral chakra from all that built up energy you've been building up through retention. Do you understand? Comment down below if you understand. Comment, I understand. Freaking gold, my friend. Now, if you do this every day, every other day, maybe some days you don't want to do sacral chakra meditation. Maybe you want to focus on your heart. Maybe you want to put your hands on your heart and focus on that vibration. When you become one, you start to realize how minuscule the physical realm is. How minuscule it is. How you'll get so angry and frustrated that you latched onto that for so many years when all you had to do was close your eyes and release yourself from it. It's tough. It's a tough cookie to swallow, man. But when you do, you kind of humble yourself. And when you come out of that abyss, it's a new you. You can create new identities for yourself. You can become a better person. You don't have to stay stuck there, man. You don't have to do that. Shadow work is key for this, man. I've made other videos about that. Check them out, man. There's a lot of videos online about shadow work. Get it done. Specifically, sacral chakra meditation. Sit with those sexual urges. Let them be. Try the technique I just described. I learned that from Dr. Joe Dispenza. Squeeze, hold, and allow that to just move through you in this manner. Just like this. And you will start to realize that you have this bubble, this aura about you. You'll also realize that about other people. You'll start to become way separated from your physical form, and you'll start to think, oh my gosh, I am starting to see things, feel things in the world that I didn't even know were there before. Because you're stuck in the physical realm. How many people do you know that are like this? It sucks to see, man. That's why I became a coach and I started coaching spirituality, because I used to coach fitness and nutrition, the physical. And through that, I learned men were just asking me all these weird questions that had nothing to do with fitness. I thought, oh my God, there's a whole nother level to personal development that I can learn that I've already been through and I can show men. And that's what this video is for, man. If you enjoyed this video, man, comment down below. Give me a peace sign. Give me a freaking horns. Let me know you know what's up. If you want me to talk about anything else, if there's something I missed you want to hear about, let me know. I'm all ears. I love helping you, man. Till the next video, dude. Peace.